The female reproductive system is a complex and highly organized biological structure designed to perform two main functions: reproduction and hormonal regulation. It consists of both external and internal organs that work together in a coordinated system. The external part is called the vulva. It includes structures such as the labia majora, labia minora, and clitoris. These structures provide protection to the internal reproductive organs and also play a role in sensation. Inside the body, the reproductive system begins with the vagina. The vagina is a muscular canal that connects the external genitalia to the cervix of the uterus. It serves multiple functions, including the passage of menstrual blood, sexual intercourse, and childbirth. Above the vagina is the cervix, which is the lower narrow part of the uterus. The cervix acts as a gateway between the vagina and the uterus. It produces mucus that changes consistency during the menstrual cycle to either allow or restrict sperm movement. The uterus is a hollow muscular organ located in the pelvic cavity. Its primary function is to support fetal development during pregnancy. The inner lining of the uterus is called the endometrium. This lining thickens every month under the influence of hormones and sheds during menstruation if pregnancy does not occur. On both sides of the uterus are the ovaries. The ovaries are small, almond-shaped organs that perform two major functions. They produce eggs and secrete hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Eggs released from the ovaries travel through the fallopian tubes. These tubes act as a pathway where fertilization usually occurs if sperm meets the egg. The entire system is regulated by hormones produced by the brain, mainly the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. These hormones control the monthly cycle, egg development, ovulation, and preparation of the uterus. The female reproductive system is not only responsible for reproduction, but also plays a major role in regulating metabolism, bone health, mood, and overall physiological balance through hormone secretion. Understanding this system is the foundation for studying female physiology in depth. This is Coremind Science.